Now, the program that I just moved into is called the 21-Day Fix. Now, this is a program you may have seen me talk about before. I did this program before I went on a cruise in March. I also did the 3-Day Fix, which is the last 3-day, pretty intense, very strict meal plan. And this was created by a bikini competitor, Autumn Calabrese. Now, this workout program includes the workouts. Now, I transitioned into the 21-Day Fix, and I'll tell you why. These are only 30-minute workouts. You get 2 DVDs, and they come with multiple workouts on each DVD, okay? So these workouts are, you get 9 workouts. Ordering from a coach, you will get this additional workout, which on the website is an additional $19.95. This is called PlyoFix. Now, this is if you order from a coach. Now, this is an extra 32-minute workout. It's 6 rounds of high-intensity, heart-pumping, plyo, jumping, crazy. Now, this is an extra workout. You don't have to move right into this. It's an intense, advanced workout. Now, these workouts are going to have modifiers in them. Now, and I love these workouts because you see every age in these workouts. You see men, you see women, you see older women, you see people that aren't completely at their goal weight. You're not seeing ripped abs and crazy muscle in every one of these workouts. These are real people. So this is a very encouraging workout to start with. This program now is going to include these really nifty, cool containers that you may have seen me post about. Now, I don't have all the containers over here, but I do have some of the containers. Now, these containers come with the program, and let me show you these. Now, you figure out what calorie level you are going to start the program with. Now, that is all included in your 21-Day Fix eating plan. Now, this plan goes over what your calories are going to be. Now, you figure that out by a formula in the book. So it tells you what level you're going to eat at, and then you have these containers. I'm missing the green container, but you have these containers, and when you start your meal plan, each one of these containers represents a color coding for a certain type of food group. And that's all broken down in this book. So this book is pretty much like your Bible for this program. So you get your calorie charts and you figure out by doing the formula what calories you're going to fall under. And that's on this side. And it tells you how many of these color coding containers you are able to eat for the day. Now, I know people see these containers and they're like, those are so small. How can I only eat one of these a day? You don't. The majority of the people fall between the containers where you can eat at least 3 or 4 of these a day. And this is the fruit container. So could you imagine 3 full servings of fruit? This is your carb container. So any type of rice, whole wheat pasta, anything starchy, you can up in whatever plan you fall into, you could get up to 3 or 4 of these a day. So you really break down your meals and you check off as you use your containers. Now, I talk to so many people who struggle with nutrition. Coming off of a program like the Ultimate Reset, which was pretty strict, I had to follow the meal plan, to transitioning into this program was so seamless for me. I was actually able to introduce foods at a very small amount, at the correct amount of, moderation that I was able to eat. My problem is moderation, and this is the program that tells me how much I'm able to eat of what. And it breaks it down for you into how many hours you should wait before eating. There's amazing recipes in here. There's even treats that you're allowed to have. There's free foods, and you can have wine on this too. I know, it seems too good to be true. But just to give you an idea, each color coding breaks down what you're able to have in that container. So you can actually build your own meal plans, and it's not restrictive. So if you're feeding for a family and you're trying to follow a program, this is something you can open up and quickly find stuff that your family loves and that you love, and then you're just eating the correct amount of portions based on your containers that you're allowed to have for the day. The first couple days, it's a little crazy, but once you get the swing of it, I promise it's really, really easy. Now, this program comes with a really quick start here guide, and it breaks down what you're supposed to do and what the program comes with. So this is a really awesome beginner breakdown to just get into the program the minute you open your box. It talks about what you're going to need and the simplicity of the program. It goes down over everything that you get. This is everything you get. You get the workout program, you get the quick start, you get the recipe book that I showed you. You also are going to get the 3-day quick fix, which is over here, and you get the bonus workouts. Plus, you get the shaker cup, which is awesome. You get your very own Shakeology shaker cup. Now, everyone in my groups uses Shakeology, and of course, I use Shakeology too. It's a part of my day. It's what jump-started my weight loss, and it just fills me up and gives me energy. So if you do join one of my groups, you have your choice of any flavor Shakeology. You can do the vanilla, you can do the strawberry, you can do the chocolate, you can do the vegan, you can pick any flavor you want. There's even green berry. So you can choose what flavor Shakeology you want to get. You can get it in a bag or in the packets. I recommend, if you love chocolate, I always tell people to start with the chocolate. If you like a bit of variety, you can actually get the vanilla, the strawberry, and the chocolate in one box in these convenient little packets. And those you can take with you. You can pack in your lunchbox, and you can give yourself some variety throughout the week if you don't want to just stick with one flavor. So I hope that helps you guys understand the difference between the 21-day fix, which is the program that I just started. This is the program that is created by the bikini competitor Autumn Calabrese, and you get all the fun containers to do with this, plus your Shakeology. This one, all about the workouts and the nutrition. Now I went into the 21-day fix. I'm on day 2, and I feel fantastic. But you know what? I feel great. So if you have any questions, make sure you're following me over on Instagram, Miss Fit Hoots. And you also can click like over on my Facebook page, which is Fitness Hoots, facebook.com/Fitness Hoots. And I'm always posting recipes. I'm always sharing up fun motivation and fashion and tips. Also some great opportunities to get involved with my challenge groups. So any questions, guys, feel free to even friend me over at facebook.com, Missa B, MISSMISSA, the letter B. And I'll put all that below so you guys can do that. I hope this answered any of your questions. And if you have any more, just let me know. All right, guys, see you later.